Happy New Year, everyone. Hope 2025 has started off with the right frame of mind. Yes, that was a pun. I just want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. I wish I could put a lot more up, but I am a working photojournalist. And if one thing that photojournalism requires is 100% attention. Time waits for no one. You either get the shot or you don't. There's no going back. So that, of course, I want to get the best shots possible. So setting up a video camera sometimes to show you how I do it, it's just not viable. It's just not something that I can do. I will continue to do the behind the photo videos, of course, but I also plan on putting together a new series I'll call Coffee Talk, where I'll go to different coffee shops and I'll talk about photos that I've taken over the years. And while you won't be able to see how I took them, I will discuss what I was thinking when I took the shots and maybe where they appeared, what publications and so on. This year, well, 2024, I didn't do any international assignments. At the end of the previous year, I did go to Greece to do a piece on over-tourism at the Acropolis. And while in Greece, I actually did a behind the photo episode in the island of Naxos, where I hung out and I photographed random guys playing cards at a coffee shop. And that one's pretty much been done for a while, but for some reason, it's just like taking me forever to turn that around because I keep on posting new videos and so on. But hopefully, I'll come around and I'll do something with that. I'd also love to know what you guys would like me to do videos on. So write that in the comments below. And I try to respond to every comment. And let's see where 2025 takes us. The beauty of this profession is that you just don't know. You don't know what you're going to be doing in 10 minutes, never mind during the course of a year. Everything is interesting. It's just how you approach it and what you do with it. So once again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for taking the time to watch the videos. And let's hope that 2025 is a great year for all of you. And yeah, I wouldn't mind a little good luck myself. All right, guys, thank you. Cheers.